So the OnePlus 8 Pro was recently launched and the device is said to have the greatest display on a OnePlus phone ever. The 6.7-inch QHD Plus Fluid AMOLED display is not only one of the sharpest displays on an Android smartphone, but also the most color-accurate ones. OnePlus has even added a dedicated Pixelworks Iris chip on the phone to improve the display's output, and the complete package earns the phone's highest DisplayMate rating ever. Now that's what DisplayMate and OnePlus is saying, but the ground reality may be a little different, at least according to some users. Based on various posts on Reddit from early adopters, there seems to be a few issues with the OnePlus 8 Pro. The issues currently include black crush, image retention, burn-in, and green tint at lower brightness levels. Let me show you what the phone looks like while playing a Netflix video. The OnePlus device is exhibiting noticeably more black crush in the darker areas. A Reddit user also noticed a strange black bar running across the top of the display, which is right next to the camera. Lastly, there is a green tint at lower brightness levels when compared to the Note 10 Plus. Thankfully, OnePlus has been quick enough in responding to these issues, and the post is on their forum. So the team says that they're working to resolve this, and you should be receiving a software update shortly. Now, not all of these can be fixed by an OTA update. Most of these issues are inherent with OLED displays. Now for the first issue, which is commonly referred to as black crush, it takes place when transitioning from black to nearly black or darker grays. This is an issue that OLED panels suffer from and could be a result of lower bit depth being allocated to these displays at lower brightness levels, and is especially noticeable with dark compressed contents. Firstly, it's important to understand that an OLED does not work like a LCD, which shows the same image regardless of the brightness level. This can cause the panel to show more noise at low brightness levels in the darker areas of image, which can cause some manufacturers to simply clip the darker grays to black. Now you might ask why iPhones don't have these issues. The answer is simple. This requires expert handling and careful calibration of the panel's lookup table. Let's just say Apple is calibrating their screens really well. Okay, back to OnePlus. Now the green tint issue is also tied to this, as OLED panels could exhibit color shifts at lower brightness, and with good calibration across all points on the brightness scale, this issue can be mitigated. The challenge arises with image retention issue. While yes, this is also inherent to OLED panels, there is no reason a display so new should be suffering from it. While image retention is temporary and can happen anytime, some users also mentioned image burn-in, which is permanent and ought to see so early in such a new screen. One can only hope that OnePlus will be more stringent and follow more stringent measures while testing and calibrating their displays. So while most of these issues will be solved by an OTA update, burn-in issue is something OnePlus might have to check if it's happening with a specific batch of devices. Also, it'll be interesting to see what steps OnePlus is going to take, considering these are new devices with a flagship price. The expectations from OnePlus has shot rocket high, as with OnePlus 8 Pro, the company is no more a flagship killer, given the price point at which the phone is launched at. What are your thoughts on this, and would you consider buying the OnePlus 8 Pro? Do let us know in the comment section. And just before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.